Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects every American family: life insurance in the United States. Whether you're in California or New York, Texas or Florida, this is information you simply can't afford to ignore. I know insurance might not sound exciting, but what if I told you that the right life insurance policy could be the difference between your family maintaining their lifestyle or facing financial ruin if something unexpected happens to you? Over the next 11 minutes, we're going to explore every aspect of life insurance specifically tailored to the American context. We'll look at how the U.S. insurance system works, the unique benefits for American families, the real risks of being uninsured in today's economy, and most importantly, we'll walk through a detailed, step-by-step process to help you get the right coverage. This isn't just general advice. We're talking real American scenarios, actual costs families face across different states, and solutions that work within the U.S. legal and financial framework. Understanding the American life insurance landscape ***. Let's start by understanding how life insurance works, specifically in the United States. The American insurance industry is actually one of the most regulated in the world, with strong consumer protections through state insurance commissioners. Each state has its own insurance department that oversees companies operating within its borders, ensuring they maintain adequate reserves to pay claims. This means when you buy a policy from a licensed insurer in America, you can have confidence that the money will be there when your family needs it. Another key aspect unique to America is how life insurance proceeds generally pass income tax-free to your beneficiaries under current IRS rules. This tax advantage makes life insurance an incredibly efficient way to transfer wealth to the next generation. We also have specific types of policies that are particularly popular in the U.S. market. Term life insurance, which provides coverage for a specific period. It's especially suited for American families who need protection during their peak earning years or while paying off a mortgage. Then we have permanent policies like whole life and universal life that offer lifetime coverage and include a cash value component that grows tax-deferred. Understanding these American-specific products and regulations is crucial for making informed decisions about your assessment. Comprehensive benefits for American families, ***. Now, let's talk about why life insurance is so vitally important for families living in America. First, consider the reality of American healthcare costs. A serious illness can result in hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical bills, and these debts don't disappear when someone passes away. Life insurance ensures your family is left struggling with these enormous expenses on top of dealing with their loss. Second, think about the typical American debt load. The average U.S. household carries significant mortgage debt, car payments, credit card balances, and often student loans. Without life insurance, this debt could force your family to sell their home or make other drastic changes to their lifestyle. Third, education in America is increasingly expensive, with 4 years at a public university now costing over $100,000 in many states. Real consequences for American families without coverage. Let me be very direct about what happens to American families who do and have adequate life insurance coverage. The first and most immediate risk is medical debt, which remains the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States. You pass away after a serious illness or accident, your family could be facing tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in outstanding medical bills. Second, consider the American housing market. If you have a mortgage and your family suddenly loses your income, they could easily lose the home you've worked so hard to purchase and maintain. I've seen families forced to sell their homes and uproot their lives because they didn't have this basic protection in place. Third, think about the ongoing cost of living in America, from groceries and utilities to healthcare and transportation. Maintaining a household requires significant monthly income. Without life insurance to replace your earnings, your family's standard of living could plummet literally overnight. Fourth, student loan debt. While federal student loans are typically discharged upon death, many private student loans are not, and co-signers remain fully responsible for repayment. Fifth, the probate process in America can tie up assets for months or even years, leaving families without access to needed funds precisely when they need them most. Life insurance bypasses probate entirely, providing immediate funds to your beneficiaries, regardless of what's happening with the rest of your estate. By step, it's guide to getting covered in America. ***. Now, let's get practical about how to actually obtain life insurance here in the United States. The process is more straightforward than most people realize. Step 1. Determine how much coverage you need. A good starting point is 10 to 15 times your annual income. But you should also factor in your specific debts, your children's future education costs, and final expenses. Step 2. Choose the right type of policy. For most American families, a 20 or 30-year term policy aligned with their mortgage duration and child-rearing years provides excellent protection at an affordable price. Step 3. Shop for quotes strategically. Remember that insurance is regulated at the state level, so prices and available policies can vary significantly depending on whether you're in Michigan or Arizona. Use comparison tools that are licensed in your specific state, and consider working with an independent agent who can access multiple companies. Step 4. Complete the application and medical exam. The exam is typically conducted by a paramedical professional who comes to your home or office. They'll check standard health metrics like blood pressure, cholesterol, and they'll test for tobacco use, which can double or triple your premiums. Step 5. Understand the underwriting process. Insurance companies will review your medical history, driving record, and sometimes even your credit history to determine your risk level and final premium. Step 6. Once approved, you'll have a 30-day free look period. A consumer protection required in most states that lets you review the policy thoroughly and cancel for a full refund if you are not completely satisfied. Conclusion and final thoughts, as we come to the end of our discussion, I want to leave you with this thought. Life insurance in America isn't just another financial product. It's a fundamental pillar of responsible family planning and wealth protection. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your loved ones can stay in their home, that your children can still pursue their educational dreams, and that your spouse won't be burdened with overwhelming debt is absolutely priceless. The American dream you're working so hard to build for your family deserves this basic protection. If you take only one action after watching this video, let it be this. Start the process of getting covered today. The younger and healthier you are, the more affordable it will be. Don't let procrastination put everything you've worked for at risk. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more guidance tailored to American families. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What questions do you still have about life insurance in America? Thank you for watching, and here's to protecting your family's future and the American dream you're building together.